In this video, we're covering the newsletter section, your tool for turning visitors into subscribers. Not everyone will sign up for your course right away, and that's okay. The key is to stay connected, and email is the best way to do that. The newsletter section gives you a clean, simple sign-up form you can place anywhere on your page. Visitors just enter their email address, consent to the form, and they're added to your list. Why is this important? Because once they're on your list, you can send updates, share offers, announce new courses, and stay on their radar. Setting it up is super easy. First, log into your course platform and click on the Page Builder tab. Then click on the landing page you want to edit. Locate the newsletter section under Page Settings and click on it. If it's not in the list of sections, click Add New Section and click on Newsletter. You can choose to start from scratch or have the AI assistant generate your newsletter section for you. Under Headings, type in the title and subtitle to match your voice. You could say something like, "Join our sushi updates." Join my newsletter for weekly tips on digital marketing. Get exclusive updates and early access to new courses. Subscribe for free resources and bonus lessons. Change the colors too if you want. Enter the placeholder in the input field like enter your email address. You can also customize the button, change the text, and adjust the colors to fit your page design. And if you're using an email platform like Mailchimp or ConvertKit, just make sure your form is connected so those signups actually land in your list. Also, type in your consent warning in the consent box. Use the Add New Benefits to add the benefits your student will gain from signing up for your newsletter. You can choose to show or hide the benefits section. Choose an icon and color from Benefits icon to display in the benefits list. You can also choose to turn off the icon list or use it. Hop over to the Design tab to customize the layout. You can customize the block style all under Layout. And under Appearance, you can set the background color and background image. You can even upload an image as your background or use the AI assistant to generate one. Click Save once you're done. Another tip? Combine this section with a highlighted box to promote a lead magnet, maybe a free mini course or downloadable guide. People are way more likely to sign up when they're getting something valuable in return. Place the newsletter section wherever it makes sense, after your testimonials, near the end of your page, or even just before your CTA. It's a great way to catch those visitors who need a little more time before they're ready to enroll. All right, that's it for the newsletter section. See you in the next video.